watching me on the Femina Grazia virtual beauty carnival. Today I'm going to take you through a quick intro as to what my classes are like. This is a Pilates flow workout, and if you like it, you can subscribe to my website at menbestretch.com. So we're going to start by sitting cross-legged, facing me, and we're going to inhale our arms up, bringing our right palm down and leaning over to our right side. Stretching out the left side of your body, pushing that left hip into the ground. Keep breathing. Inhale all the way up and exhale that left palm to the ground, leaning over to the left side, stretching out the right side of the body while pushing that right hip into the ground. Inhale your both arms up and exhale, fold over your legs, walking out as much as you can. Try not to lift the glutes off the mat so you can stretch out your back. When you're ready, come up and let's get started. So we're gonna lie down on our mat, and from here, just to get that core activated, your palms are by your side, you're pushing into the ground. Your legs are going to be in tabletop position. Now my core is active and my lower back pushes in, so that is what helps my core stay engaged. And my knees are in line with my hips. This is the perfect tabletop position. So from here, I'm going to tap my right toe to the ground, lift it up, tap my left toe to the ground and lift it up. Using those lower abdominals to keep lifting and tightening. So you keep tapping and tapping and tap and tap. A few more. Tap and tap. Tap and tap. One more on each side. And tap, hold here, and now for a little bit of a challenge, we're going to tap both feet down together and lift up for 5 reps, okay? So tap both feet down and then lift up. Tap down and lift up. Tap down and up. 4 and up and 5 and up. And rest. Always take your breaths to remind yourself to keep breathing. When we feel challenged for some reason, we all have a tendency to hold our breath, thinking it's going to make the exercise finish quicker, but that's not the case. Breathe through it and you will get through it. So from here, we're going to inhale and exhale our head, neck, and shoulders up. Our legs come into tabletop again. And now I'm going to extend that left leg out while bringing my right knee in. And although my head, neck, and shoulders are lifted, when that right knee comes in, I'm just going to crunch up a little bit and then switch and crunch. Switch and crunch. Knee comes all the way into chest. That opposite leg is extended out, toes pointed. Let's move a little faster. Switch and switch and switch and switch. And 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and rest. Nice job, guys. Let's bring the palms behind your head, one palm on top of the other. Again, those legs come back into tabletop position. My elbows are wide. From here, I'm going to twist into that bicycle crunch. My left leg comes in, my right leg extends out. As I'm twisting for my obliques, and I'm just going to do tiny pulses to one side. 5 pulses. 5 and 4 and 3. Really reach elbow to knee and 1 and switch. Same thing on the right side. 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and switch. Now we do 4 pulses. 4 and 3, twist from the obliques, and 1. Switch. Elbow to knee, and 2 and 1. Switch. I think you know what's coming. 3 pulses. 3 and 2 and 1 and switch. And 3 and 2 and 1 and switch. 2 pulses. 2 and 1 and switch. Twisting from those obliques and switch. Now 1 pulse. 1 and 1. Now let's go a little faster. 10 and twist. And 9 and twist. Elbows 1 and twist. And 5 and twist. And 4 and twist. Toes pointed. Twist and 1 and rest. Bring your arms out. Drop the knees to one side. Look over that right shoulder. Knees come up. Drop them to the other side. Look over the left shoulder. Try and really extend the knee to the ground so that you can stretch out the left hip flexor. Bring your knees up. Now from here, we're going to do a little bridge series. So my feet are flat into the ground and my palms are by my side. If you want a little more of a challenge, you can lift your arms up. But my palms are going to be by my side to begin. And from here, I'm going to inhale to prepare and exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Pushing through those heels and push all the way up so that you're resting on the tips of your shoulder blades when you're up. Down and up. Let's do 5 more. And 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Hold up. Tiny pulses from here. 10. Really squeeze the glutes. Try and raise those hips as high as you can. Give me 5 more. And squeeze. And 3. And squeeze. And 2. And squeeze. And 1. Hold here. Now from here, you're going to open the knees a little bit and then close them. And open and close. It's a tiny movement. And open and close. Open and close. Give me 10. And 9. Like I said, you can always challenge yourself by bringing your arms up. That's 5. And 4. Hips raised. And 3. And 2. And 1. And slowly bring everything down. Let's extend our legs to the ceiling. And now from here, you're just going to flex and point those feet. This is going to give you a stretch in the back of your legs. So your palms are by your side. You're going to flex the feet and point the feet. Flex and point. Flex and point. Core engaged, lower back, pushing into that ground. And point. Let's do 5 more. And point. And 4. And point. And 2. And point. And 1. And point. Rest. Take a second. Now from here, I'm going to flip over into a plank position. So things to keep in mind for a plank, that my palms are absolutely flat on the ground. I'm digging my toes into the mat so that I'm keeping that balance and that my body reminds itself to be in one line. My legs are absolutely straight and I'm pushing through my palms so my shoulders don't drop. This is your plank position. From here, I'm going to lift my left leg up, point my toes, tap my glute, extend it out and bring it down. Lift my right leg up, point my toes, tap, tap, extend down. Left leg, point, tap, tap, extend down. Right leg, point, tap, tap, extend down. 1 more on each side. Tap, tap, extend down. Right leg, tap, tap, extend down. Good job. Push back into a downward facing dog pedaling out your legs. Try and bring both heels to the ground. Take a few deep breaths here. And when you're ready, you're going to push up onto your toes and move into that plank position. So it's downward dog to plank. Let's do that 5 times. Push back to a downward dog, push up into a plank. Push back to a downward dog, push up into a plank. Push back and up. Push back and up. One more. Push back and up. And hold the plank. 10 and 9 and 8 and 7. Pushing through. Those palms, shoulders don't drop. And 3 and 2 and 1. Push back. Walk the hands back to meet the feet. Grabbing opposite elbows. Bending over your legs. Slowly rolling up. Let's finish the little series how we started. Our legs folded together. Now you're going to inhale your arms up. Exhale into one side. Stretching through the side body. Inhale both arms up again. Exhale into the other side. Stretching the other side of the body. Pushing that glute into the ground. Inhale both arms up. Then exhale and arms down into a prayer position. That was a little sneak peek of what my classes are like, and enjoy the Beauty Carnival. It's going to be the funnest virtual experience you have seen in a while. And if you like the classes, then you can subscribe and